Specimen C. Lungs from a domestic fowl on a white tile. 1. Describe the structure of the lungs in a domestic fowl. Answer. The lungs of a domestic fowl are small, spongy, and reddish-pink organs located on either side of the thoracic cavity. They are relatively rigid and do not expand and contract as mammalian lungs do. The lungs are connected to air sacs, which play a crucial role in the bird's respiratory system. 2. Explain the function of the air sacs associated with the lungs in birds. Answer. Air sacs are an integral part of the avian respiratory system. They act as reservoirs for air, allowing a continuous flow of air through the lungs. This system ensures that the lungs receive fresh air during both inhalation and exhalation, making gas exchange more efficient. 3. Describe the process of gas exchange in avian lungs. Answer. Gas exchange in avian lungs occurs in tiny air capillaries within the parabronchi. Oxygen from inhaled air diffuses into the blood, while carbon dioxide from the blood diffuses into the air capillaries to be exhaled. This efficient gas exchange process is facilitated by the unidirectional flow of air through the lungs. 4. Compare the respiratory system of birds to that of mammals. Answer. Unlike mammals, birds have a unidirectional airflow through their lungs, which allows for more efficient gas exchange. Mammals have a bidirectional tidal airflow, where air enters and exits the lungs through the same pathways. Birds' respiratory systems include air sacs that help maintain a continuous flow of air, whereas mammals rely on the expansion and contraction of the lungs. 5. Identify the adaptations of avian lungs that enhance their respiratory efficiency. Answer. Avian lungs have several adaptations for efficient respiration, including a unidirectional airflow system, extensive network of air capillaries, and a high surface area for gas exchange. The presence of air sacs also helps maintain a steady supply of fresh air to the lungs. 6. Discuss the role of the syrinx in the respiratory system of birds. Answer. The syrinx is the vocal organ of birds, located at the base of the trachea where it splits into the bronchi. It allows birds to produce a wide range of sounds and calls. The syrinx can produce sound without interrupting the continuous flow of air through the respiratory system. 7. Explain how birds ventilate their lungs. Answer. Birds ventilate their lungs through a coordinated movement of the sternum and rib cage, along with the action of air sacs. During inhalation, air bypasses the lungs and fills the posterior air sacs. During exhalation, the air moves from the posterior air sacs through the lungs to the anterior air sacs, and then it is expelled. This unidirectional flow ensures that the lungs are constantly supplied with fresh air.